Let us try to solve a numerical based on chemical oxygen demand. Okay, so question is in front of you. A 50 ml of sewage water sample was refluxed with 10 ml of 0.25 normal K2Cr2O7 solution in presence of dilute H2S4, EgS4 and HgSO4. Now this is acting as a catalyst. The unreacted dichromate required 5 ml of 0.15 normal ferrous ammonium sulfate, 10 ml of same K2Cr2O7 solution and 50 ml of distilled water. Now this is your blank. Under the same conditions as the sample required 20 ml of 0.15 normal ferrous ammonium sulfate. Calculate the COD of the sewage water sample. Okay, so this is your question. Now let us try to solve this. So solution for this is very simple. You should know the formula for COD, okay, chemical oxygen demand. Okay, so here the quantity of water is given as 50 ml. So we'll write down that first. Okay, first we write down the data, then we'll put that data in the formula. Okay, water sample quantity is given as 50 ml. Normality of ferrous ammonium sulfate is 0.15 normal. Okay, so we'll write down that normality of ferrous ammonium sulfate we write as abbreviated as FAS. Okay, 0.15 normal. Now V1 is your blank. The reading for blank titration is 20 ml of FAS. Now this is blank, we know, and V2 is your sample reading for after doing the reaction of sample water. Okay, that is your sample reading. Okay, now we know the formula for COD. Okay, V1 I told you it is blank and V2 is your sample reading. Now this we will put in the formula of chemical oxygen demand, that is COD, is given by, okay, it is abbreviated as COD, chemical oxygen demand is given by V1 minus V2 into normality of FAS into 8000 divided by the quantity of water given, divided by the quantity of water given. Okay, so V1 we know it is 20 ml. 20 minus 5 into N is 0.15 into 8000 divided by 50. Now if you calculate this will come around, if you calculate this, it will come around 360 ppm. Okay, the chemical oxygen demand of water sample is 360 ppm. Answer is 360 ppm. Okay.